Hello friends. Uh, as we discussed in the last session regarding for the sewage submersible pumps, and we already discussed the points, definition, type, installation, standard, and today we are going to discuss sequence of operation, how to design and how to place the order. Friends, I would like to clarify you that any equipment in mechanical system and which relate to if these are motors, chilled water pumps, motors, water supply pumps, and our chillers, any such type of equipment which is related to mechanical, but it has a part with electrical. So prior to make any order and prior to finalize the equipment, we must finalize the sequence of operation. It is very important, and we should discuss and we should get approval from all related parties for this equipment. So after that we can place the order. And first actually our priority to how to design, this is our priority. So I would like to give you a brief or short explanation how to design, especially for this sewage submersible pump. Please have a look on this drawing. We have one drawing. This is a small villa drawing where we have a basement and we have a sewage submersible pump. This is our holding tank with two submersible pumps, and this holding tank is getting drainage water and soil waste water from this line. So it is starting from here, and you can see it is running from here up to our holding tank. So this in the way of this line, this our soil and waste line, we have to calculate all the flow drains, wash basins, WC, and our if there is any sink. So we have to calculate for all the centrifixtures, shower drain, okay friends, flow drains. So we will calculate all the flow drains, and there is a chart. So after taking quantity, there is a chart for each quantity. For each centrifixture we have a special this fixture number, special fixture unit. This is a chart for fixture unit values. So we will normally, and nowadays we are having Excel sheets and this softwares by which we are using this. We are just putting our centrifixture quantity in that table or Excel sheet or our software, and we will get the total GPM for this our submersible pump. But in general or in thumb rule, there is a provisions available that if you can see here, we have one thumb rule where the discharge rate of fixture or equipment is expressed in gallon per minute. 2 gallons, 2 drainage fixture unit DFU shall be allowed for each gallon per minute. Okay, so this is a general fast calculation, but this will not be effective for the big projects. So we have to use our proper way, which is described by UPC, IPC, international codes. So by which we are using so that we can get a proper and exact this capacity, and as well as for during calculating the capacity, friends, and we will also we will also calculate the capacity quantity for the discharge pipe. For example, this is our pump, and from where the depth of this holding tank, including the pump up to where it is throwing this wastewater, up to where, how much the length, vertical length, what is the pipe size, how many fittings like elbows, gate valves, check valves, how many fittings we are having in this path. So all this we will calculate, then we will get the head. So after getting the this flow and head, then we can place an order to our supplier. But the main thing, the very important thing, that we have to decide the sequence of operation. Sequence of operation, friends, I would like to put in front of you this. We have one sequence of operation for the duplex submersible pump. This is, you can see in the drawing. In the drawing, you are looking, you can see we have two pumps, one working, one standby. So you can see here the duplex submersible pump set operates as one duty, one standby, and automatically operate in parallel if necessary. So in case, first of all, this duplex submersible pump will be operated one duty, one standby in normal case, in the normal situation. But if we have emergency case or a sudden situation, bad situation, the both can work one time. Both will work one time. There will be a provision. Normal. This is details like this. Normal low level float switch. Both pump are in shut off as water. Okay. In the first float switch. This is the first float switch. Okay. This is for what? This is pump off. If you can see in the picture, what is written, the pump off. So what this sequence of operation is saying, normal low level float switch 1, both pumps are in off status. So the very low level, this, when the water level is at this point, this float switch will not allow the pump to start. This is for safety protection of the pump. And second, what it is describing, as water level increases to level 2 float switch, where the float switch is activate. Okay, so what will happen when the water level will reach at this level, point 2, the float switch number 2, the first pump will start. And the water level, when the water level will reach up to this level, the pump will stop. Okay, friends. Now, meaning duty pump is ready to start. So what is the what is the complete sentence? As water level increase, level 2 float switch number 2, where float switch is activate, meaning duty pump, the first pump, as I told you, the first pump will start. As the water level continue to increase to level 3, if still water level is increasing and it reach up to level 3, the water level reach up to level 3, okay, and then what will happen? The second pump will start automatically. So mean to say, as I explain you, the second pump will start automatically. Okay, as I explained you earlier in the first sentence, in the first paragraph, what they said, the duplex submersible pump set operates one duty, one standby, and automatically operate in parallel if necessary. Then, so mean to say, when the water level increase up to level 3, the now necessary requirement, so the second pump should start. Okay, friends. And what is the next? And if water level increase more to level 4, so you can see we have level 4 as well. Level 4, high level alarm. So what is written here? If water level increases more to level 4, high level, and float switch, as the standby is already running parallel with the duty pump, and visual alarm is initiated to signal warning to concerned operator. So What will happen if the water level is still increasing and it reach up to level 4? What will happen? The visual alarm will start buzzing, and what will happen? The operation maintenance department, they will come and they will check what is the problem. So friend, this is the sequence of operation for this submersible pumps. Okay, and this is explained very clearly, and also I explain you in details as well. So another thing what I would like to clarify, you can see this is the our control wiring diagram. You will, whenever you will get the submittal, you will get the control wiring diagram like this from the supplier. They will provide you with this complete this pages. This is the enclosure. Okay, this is the and they will provide like this in a wiring diagram. For the mechanical engineer, it is very important to understand the last page, because in the last page you can see the power slots. This is for power slot pump number 1, and this is power slot for pump number 2, and especially most importantly they are showing here for the slots for the our float switches. You can see float switch pump start, float switch pump pump 2 start, and float switch for the high level alarm, and the third one for the BMS. BMS always should be provided for this our equipment, and this issue also will be coordinated with the electrical department. You can see here we have pump 1 on, pump 1 trip, pump 2 on, pump 2 trip, and high water. So mean to say, in case whenever the pump 1 will on, the BMS control room, they will get the signal that our pump 1 is working. If in case pump 1 is not working, immediately they will get a signal from that pump 1 is tripped. If the pump 2 is on, they will get pump signal pump 2 is on. Pump 2 is tripped, they will get pump 2 signal pump 2 is tripped. High level, in case high level, they will also get information that there is a high level, so immediately they can take a necessary action. So friends, I hope you understand very clearly. And as I told you, for this placing order, we should have the flow and as well as for the head, so that we can place to order for the supplier as per our requirements. So I hope I clarify all the things in details. I would like to request you to subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much.